Happy Easter, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great Easter or had a great Easter by the time you're seeing this video. I'm going to attempt VEDA again this year. Was not very successful last year, but that's gonna change. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today on this beautiful Easter Sunday. And I'm actually gonna work out. I'm gonna walk the dog first, and then I'm gonna work out. And then I'm gonna go to dinner later today. Anyways, all right, come along with you guys. So let's have some funsies. Say hi, Mooney. You ready to go for a walk? All right, let's go. Oops, gotta unlock the door for us to go out, huh? Ooh, it's so nice out. All right, let's roll, kitten. Make sure you get that bird. Watch this. Get that bird. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, guys. That was the funniest thing. Ah! Round two. This is a bold little bird. Get it, Money. Oh, Mooney, looks like you're 0-2. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mooney. Sorry, girlfriend. Maybe like next time, okay? I love your tenacity. Hey guys, I am pulling out of the driveway to head to midday lunch / dinner with my family for Easter. We're going to Outback, so I don't think I'm going to take any footage there, but I might. Just keep me past. Let me show you guys my eyeshadow. How pretty is that? It's matching my dress. Yeah. Alright guys, this is my leftovers from lunch today. Like I said, I didn't record anything. Lunch is also just chilling. I can't talk. Chilling with my fam. So I have some mac and cheese, salad, and then now I can eat meat because it's Easter. So I have some medium steak. I'm going to warm this steak up in a microwave. And I'm going to eat my dinner. This is like the rest of my lunch, so I'm going to eat that for dinner. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to show you guys I added some extra spinach and extra lettuce just to make sure I'm getting them extra greens. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to have a more balanced diet. And I put the steak in this little thing and put a little water in it and heated it up. And it kind of created a jus sauce. And I kind of poured that on top. And I'm going to put a little ranch dressing on top too. I'm just going to add calories, but that's alright. So here's my mac and cheese. I heated that up. It's not the healthiest, but you know, you can cheat every now and then. Hey guys, it is the end of the night. I just finished watching The Housewives of Atlanta. Y'all, I cannot. In the previews for next week, let me mute this. The previews next week, Kim Zolciak and those lips. I can't believe you, girl. Anyways, I can't wait to watch that trash. And now I'm watching The Walking Dead. Oh, it literally is like one of my favorite shows, y'all. Actually, it is my favorite television show. Period. So I'm going to watch that. It is absolutely cray cray. But before I go to bed, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm pointing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And 3 things I'm grateful for today is that it is Easter, and it's kind of like a New Year reset, kind of, because if you are a person of faith or a believer, then you know that He has risen and He died for our sins. So any shame or guilt that we hold, we should know that God doesn't judge us. So that's my number 1. He has risen. Number 2, for my family, I had a great time today. Just celebrating Easter with them and having dinner. It was delish. And some good chats and laughs. And my 3rd thing I'm grateful for is just life. Life is good. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Good night. Bye.